This is the elevator at the White Oak Medical Building in White Oak, Pennsylvania. It's a Dover Oildraulic traditional from the early 80s, probably. Oh, it's an inverted. It's an IVO. It could be late 70s. Two. Probably it's not going to run that well. Here we go up. That's a new motor. It doesn't have that high-pitched old dry-powered motor, Epic motor. Yeah, it's kind of rough. Back on the one. No phone. It's a basic figure cab. It looks almost like a Houghton cab. It's a Dover, not Houghton. Perfect. And then a one. Certificate installed in 1982. New door operator. Looks like it. I think the door operator and the motor have been replaced. So there's definitely been some alts on this elevator. And of course, that's going to be it.